Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Payhip to sell digital products. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a polished digital product ready to list and sell on your Payhip store. Start by heading to your Payhip dashboard and signing in. From the main dashboard, look for the Products area. This is your central hub for everything you sell. Click Products to open your product list, then choose Add New Product. Payhip supports different product types, but since we're focusing on a downloadable item, select Digital Product. This tells Payhip you'll be delivering a file customers can access immediately after purchase. Next, click Upload Product File. Browse your computer and choose the file your customers will receive. This could be a PDF, an ebook, a zip of templates, audio files, or another supported format. Select the file and let it upload completely. If it's a large file, be patient and keep the tab open until you see the upload finish. A clear file name helps keep your product organized. Now give your product a strong title. Keep it clear, descriptive, and focused on the outcome your buyer wants. Avoid special characters or anything that might look cluttered. If you release versions or updates, consider including a version tag in the title so returning customers can easily recognize the latest edition. Enter the price you want to charge. You can always adjust this later, so choose a number that reflects the value of your content and the effort behind it. Think about similar products in your niche and where yours fits in terms of depth, originality, and included extras. Your store's currency is managed in your account settings, so just type the amount here. Add a product image to serve as your cover. This visual is often the first impression, so use a clear, high-quality graphic that represents what's inside. A simple, readable title on the image works well. Keep the file size reasonable for quick loading, and make sure you have the rights to any images you upload. Write a concise, helpful description. Explain what the product is, who it's for, what's included, and how buyers will use it after download. Highlight key benefits, list formats or file sizes if relevant, and set expectations for any future updates. Clarity reduces refund requests and builds trust. When everything looks good, click Add Product to save your work. Payhip will create your product page, and you'll be ready to share the link or continue refining details later. That's it. Your digital product is set up and ready to sell.